What's up, guys? I'm John.
My name is Chris.
And we are the Heck. And today we're going to be checking out another episode of Campfire Cooking in Another World with my absurd skill. Oh, good God.
Such a mouthful.
If only y'all knew how many takes we did before this of me trying to say the name. I totally am like dyslexic and I can't read. So it's like a beaten with the stick if you don't know how to read stuff. This is episode 3. I'm really freaking stoked. I feel like we've been going through this like way too slow, and we're probably going to start speeding up the process of us going through this together because it's a freaking awesome show.
Yeah.
Absolutely love it, man.
Surprised me about how good it is, actually.
Yeah, dude, same. Which leads me to believe, like, or makes me question, I guess. Is it a great anime, or do we just love food stuff?
I think it's both.
Okay, good.
I think it's both.
Yeah.
I think it's great anime, and, because we love food stuff.
Yeah, because the only other anime that I've watched that's food-related was Delicious in Dungeon, or Dungeon Meshi, and it's like, that was a freaking awesome anime. Like, all around, the story was great, and then the way they incorporated food was perfect.
Characters, all of it.
And I feel like this is definitely getting that vibe.
Yeah, I think so, too. I do.
But either way, homies, if y'all are new to our channel, smash that sub button. And if y'all want to support our channel, there is a link to our Patreon in the description below. But for now, let's check this out together. Freaking hitting that play button somewhere in there, boom, and then hitting that other button that is the play button, actually, boom. Yeah. I'll have what he's having.
Medicinal herbs.
He's like, I don't want that shit.
He's like, I don't want no herbs.
Gotta do my best. I love the menacing glare that. Ha! Your whiskers. Feed me meat. How much do you think he eats, dude?
Dude, I don't know. Probably by the pound.
Yeah. Also, I just gotta say, like, my dog Crow always does that to me. If I'm eating food and she hasn't ate yet, she'll just sit beside me and stare at me. And she's like big enough that her presence is known. And I'm like, Crow, just go somewhere. And she's like,
just like, getting closer and closer.
And also, she's got like another thing that she's been doing recently. Like, she's been grabbing her stuffed animals and bringing them to her food bowl. She'll just bring them to her food bowl, and by the until I feed her. And so she's got like 5 or 6 of them around her food bowl. And I'm like, what are you doing? Maybe it's like she's trying to give me a sign, It's like, I'm hungry, feed me.
Dude, that's funny.
Yeah, she's ridiculous, dude.
It's like, maybe if we bring enough animals over here, he'll notice.
Yeah. The bowl is empty. Can't be helped.
He looks so perturbed.
Right?
That's a good plan.
Yeah, go have him hunt stuff. Oh, damn. Does he have a... Oh! It looks so peaceful.
Right? What is that?
This guy is the greatest. I freaking love it. You've been protected with His Majesty. You're safe now.
A barrier?
Be sure to prepare our lunch. I would totally be that.
Weed. There's only weeds around here.
Dang it. Oh.
It's just a little sprig.
Just a little bit of that. Oh.
Nice.
Dude, we have those all around Tennessee, or at least they look like this.
Yeah.
Look what a great skill he's got with this appraise thing, man.
Yeah. That makes it so much easier.
Wait, hold on. Why does he got to go so cheap on it? Oh, God, yeah, dude.
That's what I'm thinking. He just got like a bunch of gold, I think.
Yeah.
Last time.
I love the fact that he's got like a whole freaking restaurant style setup here. Oh, yeah.
Like out in the field, too.
Uh-huh.
The
Okay, listen. We could totally recreate this food that he's making.
Yeah.
Essentially, it looks like some kind of form of spaghetti sauce at the moment. So, like, we could totally do this and film it. I'm just throwing that out there. Oh, yes.
consomme base. Oh,
Oh, God. Hell yeah,
another
dude.
rock bird.
I was about to say he loved it, dude.
Mm.
I didn't know that.
Pasta, dude. He's making spaghetti.
He is indeed making spaghetti. But is he gonna like spaghetti? Are you an al dente guy, or do you like yours like softer?
I guess I'm more al dente, like a little more than al dente. So
Yeah.
not too soft, but
Yeah.
a little more than al dente.
Yeah, like
so,
cook
in
them longer than
between.
al dente. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
exactly how I am,
Yeah.
dude. What about y'all? Do y'all like yours? Which way do you like it? Because, like, dude, if I don't know, man. If it's like too uncooked, it's just not good.
Mm-mm.
You know? And people are like, "That's al dente." I'm like, "No, dude, you just served
Nah.
me a soggy ass, dry, hard noodle.
Yeah, yeah.
It's just soggy on the outside and
Yeah.
crunchy on the inside." Pusquettes.
Parm. Parm.
Oh, hell yeah, he's going to do it.
Oh,
Oh.
it's not. Oh,
Oh.
wait, what? Okay.
He's holding on his paw like this.
Eat boiled veins. Next time I eat spaghetti, I'm gonna like eat it like that.
Yeah. Hell yeah, dude. How interesting.
It's all
Oh,
over his
dude.
face.
Oh,
yeah.
hell yeah, dude.
Dude, I like mine covered.
Me too. If it's
Parm.
like, oh. Dude, they were having spaghetti tonight whenever I took my daughter over to her aunt's house. I should have just gone there and just destroyed all their Parmesan cheese. I want to start doing that, dude. I think, like, as a guest of food, like, at people's houses, I'm just going to start taking the lid off of Parmesan and just, like, emptying it.
Just like have it all over your mouth and you're like coughing and pouring it still on the food.
Dude, yes. Niceties be damned. I'll get my Parmesan cheese, dude.
Right.
You know? Oh,
I need like half a bottle per bowl, I guess.
I know. Look at his freaking coat, dude. I need to get pressure washed. Looks like he's covered in blood, though.
I know.
because, you know.
That's how you know that. Whoa.
Giant deer, black serpent,
Murdered
grizzly. He's like,
Oh,
"Just
he's
throw
shoving
it
it
in. the
in.
case."
Oh my god.
Of course.
Oh.
Horse. Wait a second. Are they like pigs? Would it be like pig meat?
I don't know. What the hell?
All right. Bipedal pigs. I mean, I like that. Once you describe them like that, I'll eat it. Oh, that's awesome. Bipedal pigs. I
You
freaking
walk
love
way
this.
too slow.
Now let us go.
You better hold on.
Hell yeah. Dude, he has the greatest companion. Best companion
He's
ever.
actually going like 120.
Yeah. Dude, that is awesome. We have arrived. I would feel confident with him running that fast, though. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Shoot. Dang it. Oh, nice. What a boss.
たまたま見つけて。
群生地を見つけたんですね。運がいいです。
Oh, that's cool.
前よりちょっと喋ってくれる。
気合輸送は銀貨8枚、魔術装は銀貨1枚と銅貨3枚。
That is like chump change compared to selling the pepper and
Yeah.
salt.
多くとかもあるんですが、買い取りお願いできますか。
多く？
いえ、取ったのは私じゃなくて表の。ほんまか。いや、グレートウルフだろ。
It's just sleeping.
Oh, yes, dude.
大きい魔物の買い取りは向こうの窓口です。
出れた。今出れたよな。
Yes.
何を買い取るって。はい。
That's how I am anytime I see a dog, by the way. I'm like, oh!
Yeah. Oh.
ちょっと待った。まずはってどういうことだ。え？
Huh?
ちみちここじゃ置き場がねえ。裏まで来な。
Come to the back.
What the heck?
Throw it in your dead orc storage here.
噂になってたぞ。噂？フェンリルを10万にしてるやつが来たってな。とにかく全部出しますね。これはまた
Oh my god. Can feed the whole village.
I mean...
この魔物たちって全部食え。
Wait, I thought they were supposed to be meat for him to eat.
高級品だぞ。
Right.
よかった。
How are you going to be selling them on him?
I guess he's just planning on using the money to buy something.
Oh, I only want to keep the meat. There you go. Okay. That makes sense.
すごい量になるぞ。
He's drooling back there.
Ah,
しかし、こんだけの量だか
a
らな。
lot of monsters,
急
dude.
ぎでやるから、明日の朝また来い。解体の手数料と買い取りの勘定はその時だ。
Oh, nice.
とりあえず一匹分の肉だけでももらえません？ああ、今日の飯か。多くでいいか。え、なんだ嫌か。うまいぞ。多く肉は久しぶりだ。それで頼む。
We shall have that.
ちょっと待ってろ。
You're gonna need that
Dude,
big
look
sword
at that
blade
sword.
for
Hell yeah.
butchering him.
ほら、持ってけ。
Pork belly.
Like a loin or something? I don't know what that is.
これをどう料理する？
You better eat that orc bipedal pig and you better like it.
そうだ。今のうちに粉チーズとパセリを使っちゃうか。
Hmm.
アイテムボックスに入れとくと腐ったりしないで永遠に保存できるみたいだけど、気分の問題だからな。
Make some flat. Oh, okay. He's making like a tonkatsu. Tonkatsu? Yeah. So like frying it.
塩コショウ。
Salt and pepper.
Yeah.
Oh.
チーズだけバージョンだな。肉に薄く小麦粉をはたいて卵液にくぐらせる。
Yeah, dude.
Ah,
Gonna
dude,
be
that's gonna be
delicious.
good.
そらすぐに焼ける。焦げないように気をつけないとな。
That's my problem. I end up burning things very often, but I like stuff kind of burnt
Crispy.
sometimes,
パセ
yeah.
リバージョンだ。
Parsley version next. Dude, parsley does not have enough flavor to it unless it's like fresh. Then it definitely does.
I was wondering.
待て待て。昼間のミートソースが中途半端に残ってたから。
Oh, nice. Got that.
Whoa.
Oh, hell yeah, dude.
残り物を始末したにしちゃ上出来じゃないか。2種類のポークピカタ、ミートソース添え
With
だ。
meat sauce.
ふっくらと柔らかい。いくらでも食えそうだ。赤いのと合わせるとさらに
The
うまい。
red substance is a
Yeah,
great addition.
こ
dude.
れもレッドバーと違って多くの肉はやはり柔らかいな。
He just reminded him.
そうだった。
Listen, if you saw a freaking pig rolling around in like the mud and stuff like that, you probably wouldn't want to eat that either.
Right.
これブランド
But I'll tell you, dude, pork is probably one of my favorite freaking meats. It's
Yeah.
so good.
It's a very good meat. It's very versatile too.
Mhm.
With what you can do with it.
おはようございます。
Now I really want some freaking pork belly.
できてるぞ。
We should do pork belly pasta sometime.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. Dude just been crushing through the whole night, it seems like.
あとは買い取りの生産がこれだ。
Holy shit.
解体費用を差し引いて。
Whoa.
Dang!
Whoa.
こんな大金？なんだ相場も知らねえのか。いくら10万が強くても主人が価値を知らねえと意味ねえぞ。
Orc testicles?
Yeesh.
Aphrodisiacs. Little old orc testicles.
Rock bird feathers.
Feather? Dude, that guy loves rock birds too, so.
What? Where do they keep them?
Yeah. It's good that he just. Oh, damn. He's like, yeah.
Ah, former adventurer.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
why would they tell us that, though? Why would they say he might just be a gray wolf and not fear?
I don't know.
Huh. I can't believe.
He's like, it's time to eat.
You better feed me, boy.
It is
Oh
a
my
mountain.
God, it is, dude. I feel like that's how Jody feels anytime I go on a vacation with her somewhere. Like, dude, we went to New Orleans, and she got mad because, like, we went out of one restaurant, and I was like, oh, there's a chicken place right here, and she will not let me live that down. I literally walked out of a restaurant and walked into another one, and she got mad.
No, dude, I feel that.
I think we talked in that restaurant for a long time, and I didn't eat a lot, so the next place looked really good.
Yeah.
That's why I love street food, man. Street food, you can go from one vendor to the next, and no one looks at you weird because
Yeah.
you're just eating street food.
Dude, that's a good observation. Yeah.
Yeah. He was like, treat ourselves, huh? Meat is best.
Get some bacon.
Carry out. Oh, yeah. Oh! Juicy ground meat cutlets.
Rain. Oh, it's his
Nice
drool.
Hell yeah. I don't know if you got enough, man. Oh, they arrived already. Oh my
What the
God.
heck?
Hell yeah, dude.
Who's making them?
Oh, God.
The smorgasbord. That dog's getting spoiled.
I know, dude. Holy crap. Oh, dude, I love the little, like, freaking meat cutlets. The main dish? Ooh.
Wagyu.
Black Wagyu steak? I don't know what that even is, dude. Let's go, Wesmo.
こっちの魔物肉と一緒にするなよ。250グラムで銀貨2枚もするんだ。
では食うとするか。
Oh, God, he's gonna be...
Instantly.
これはうまい。うまいぞ。
Dude, spoiled.
Hell yeah.
この肉は美味しくなるようこだわって育てられた牛の肉なんだ。
They, like, feed him beer and all that stuff.
食うために牛とやらをわざわざ育てているというのか。
え？こっちでは食べるために動物を育てたりしないのか？
せんな。
They do
この
nuts.
世界には魔物が溢れている。その魔物を狩り、食えば取って
Yeah.
なるほどね。
I see. Wait, is he not getting any of that meat? Oh, dude.
I'd be getting a little piece myself.
I know, I'd be slicing off a sliver. Okay, he's got some. Maybe, hopefully. For the love of God. Okay.
研究心も旺盛だと思うよ。
なるほど。だからお主の料理はうまいのだな。
I can't wait until he introduces him to ramen. That dude's gonna freaking lose it. Whoa.
満足満足。
いやーうまかった。それにしてもお主の料理を食うと活力がみなぎるんだ。
Dang, there's no telling what kind of stat
I
buffs he's
know,
been
right?
given him.
Yeah.
今ならかつて引き分けた
Ancient dragon I once fought. Nice.
Down.
そんなにフェルさんやちょっと
He's like glowing, dude.
Oh my god.
Holy Jesus.
マジか
Yeah, 50%.
I shall go hunting.
おいマジ今からかお前のいない間に魔物が出たらどうすんだ
He's like,
Look
barrier.
at how nice that barrier was. Oh my god.
Dang.
Wow. I'll be going.
But when he runs, it's like,
Yeah. His paws have like made imprints in the earth.
あの調子じゃしばらく帰ってこないだろうし
Man, I'd sleep in that little grassy area. Or just use boxes. Okay. Oh, got a little mattress.
プ
What?
ロジェクトは思えない寝心地の良さやっぱ布団だねあとはフェル
man, he's living the dream, kinda.
That's pretty badass. Oh. I feel like this is kind of like a... Oh, like a prequel. It's another rock bird. Rock bird. Destroyed him. Is he going for the dragon?
Oh.
You know, big ass moose dude. Holy
Well,
shit!
Cooked it already.
Yeah, dude, get up there and kill some stuff. More orcs.
Oh my god.
Orc testicles.
Dude, he's gonna hunt these things to extinction.
I know, I think... Oh, God. Holy
Whirlwind.
crap. Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, dude. Here we go. The Orc King, man. He's, like, smiling about it.
Oh, she did like a windmill kick on him.
Yeah, still an unworthy opponent. Oh, my God. Yeah, dude. Oh.
A chimera.
Chimera? Oh, hell yeah.
Dang.
Whoa. Oh, my God. All
Annihilated.
right, listen, there's no way that that is just a gray wolf.
Metal lizard? How are you gonna cook
It's
that?
like mountains of stuff, dude. I was having so much fun. I went a little overboard. One attack. Oh my god.
黒毛和牛は永遠に
Is eternally off the menu. Dang,
Oh,
dude.
dang.
Listen, I'm not gonna lie to you though. I really thought we were not gonna get anything else after that. Oh wait, apparently there's stuff after this credits, right?
Yeah, usually I think so. Okay.
どうしたのよビアンカ
Oh, she's thinking about him still.
みたいな顔して失恋そうかもね
Maybe you're right.
あなたが相手は誰なのいいんだもん多分二度と会え
Oh
ない
damn. The man with the flowers.
もしかしてこの前ギルドに登録しに来たああいうタイプが好きなの知らな
What?
かったわ超意外
Eh?
神々しくてイケメンでおまけ
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Oh,
She likes the
dang.
wolf.
Okay. Fluffy? Dude, that was such a good episode, man. And the fact
Yeah.
that, like, he has overpowered his freaking familiar now, like, it's pretty
Yeah,
legit.
like doubled his or 50% extra his stats.
I know, and
Like-
he's already a mythical creature that, like, could probably mess up everybody in the first place, but he's 50 times stronger now. That's freaking
Good
wild,
God.
dude. Good lord. Yeah, that was awesome. That was pretty awesome.
Yeah.
So I'm really curious to see, like, because I think, okay, normally with shows like this is kind of we're getting, like, to know the characters, but there's not really a story set up yet. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
where does it go? Like, where's the actual story going to end up being? Are they just going to continue to adventure along? And this, if that's the case, I'm totally cool with that. But I feel like there's going to be more development in the actual story than just that.
Yeah, I feel like that has to happen too, because like this one, they were just everything was going hunky dory and shit. Like everything was
even
good.
better than you would expect.
Yeah,
especially with the dude that he was selling the monsters to and stuff like that. Like that guy giving them all the gold and just telling them stuff. Like here's these like the freaking gems and stuff like that. Like that's awesome that they looked out and found that guy. But like everything is kind of going too low.
Maybe there's going to be a little bit of opposition at some point soon, you know?
Yeah. So I'm really curious what that looks like who they would be in, like, and all that stuff. But also, too, we just want to say, like, you guys have been crushing that on watching these reactions and hanging out with us and engaging in the comments and stuff. So we're going to be doing this show a little bit more, watching more episodes more frequently as well, too. So I'm really freaking stoked about checking that out and going through the entire season. Like, for sure, we're going to watch this whole season, but we're going to do it a little bit faster now. So pretty good stoked about it. And thank you guys. And saying that, if y'all are watching this on YouTube, the next episode's already up on our Patreon probably, you think?
Yeah.
So it'll already be up on our Patreon. So if you guys do want to check that out, there's a link to our Patreon in the description below. And it totally helps us out, man. We're trying to go full time with content creation. And it's honestly... like, thanks to you guys. So
yeah, for real.
Yep. But either way, guys, thank you all very much for checking this out. I hope you all have a blessed one. If you need anything at all, message us, and we will catch y'all then. Friggin' toodles.
Later.
Bye.